Alright, here's the thing. Your motivation is not mysteriously disappearing. You are just sabotaging it every single day and you don't even realize it. The first mistake, the invisible drain. You wake up and immediately start deciding coffee or tea, oatmeal or eggs, blue socks, or do I even own a matching sock? Your brain's willpower is like a phone battery. Every tiny decision is like an app running in the background, draining it. By the time you get to your big goals, your mental battery has already drained by 30 to 40%. That's decision fatigue in action. And guess what? According to research, the average adult makes 35,000 decisions a day. After making this many decisions, our prefrontal cortex, the decision CEO, literally runs out of glucose, leaving you with the mental stamina of a sloth by afternoon. No energy, no motivation. Suddenly, you are scrolling Instagram instead of working. Classic. The second mistake, the fuzzy goal syndrome. When you tell yourself you want to get in shape but do absolutely nothing for months because your brain has no idea where to start. It's like telling a taxi driver, take me somewhere nice, and then getting frustrated when they just sit there confused. Research shows our brain considers vague goals as a threat, and this uncertainty triggers amygdala, the brain's panic button, flooding you with anxiety and literally shuts down your motivation. You blame laziness, but it is actually poor planning. But here's the sneakiest motivation killer, the expectations gap. This mistake will drain your motivation even if you plan perfectly. And here is why. You see, you are literally drowning in instant gratification these days. Every notification, every like, every quick scroll session is actually desensitizing your brain's reward system. So when you chase meaningful goals that don't give you that immediate dopamine hit, your brain screams, "This deal sucks. Where is my reward?" And your motivation vanishes without you even realizing it. Study shows tasks without quick rewards activate your brain's pain centers, making them uncomfortable to continue. Meanwhile, your phone is promising instant gratification. It's like training a dog without treats and wondering why it ignores you. But fear not. Here are the quick fixes. To avoid decision fatigue, first, simplify your mornings. Pick up outfits the night before. Create a breakfast rotation so you won't procrastinate on what to eat. And write down the first important task for tomorrow. Results? Your brain wakes up fresh. You avoid decision drain and saves energy for what matters. Second, turn vague goals into smart objectives. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. Instead of saying get in shape, try 20 push ups at 7 am for 30 days. Replace start project with write the first paragraph by 10 am. Our brain loves clear instructions, so give it. And finally, bribe your brain like a toddler. Start any work with a tiny reward. After 25 minutes of work, take a 5-minute break. And once you finish it, celebrate with a walk or a nap. Whatever you like. Tiny rewards equals steady dopamine. So no motivation loss, no procrastination. I tested these fixes myself and got more done in 3 days than in 2 weeks. So it works. But if procrastination still holds you back, then you really need to watch this.